This is not a recipe tutorial. This is a kitchen experiment. Hello, love. I have been thinking about Bicol Express for days because I have been craving for something creamy but hot. So we are making Bicol Express for the first time. We start with pork belly, seasoned with salt and pepper. In a pan, we heat up our oil, about 1 tablespoon, to saute our garlic, onions, and ginger. Then we add our seasoned pork and let the fat render. At this point, we can now add bagoong alamang or shrimp paste. I chose the spicy variant to increase the spiciness level of the dish. We add coconut cream and let the dish simmer for about 10 minutes. To finish it off, we add siling haba or the green chillies and the siling labuyo or the red ones, the quantity of which depends on your tolerance to spicy food. I like to pair this dish with hot steamed rice.
Kaon ta! And remember,